Let's continue exploring the other elements available when building your proposals. We'll start by adding a map. Click once to bring up the toolbar, then click the location pin to add an address. You can either paste in a street address or simply start typing until your address is auto-filled. Click Apply and your map will be loaded. Customize the appearance by choosing a color theme, adding rounded corners, or adjusting the zoom in the toolbar. Next up is the quote element. Quotes are a quick way to create a budget or add a rate card to your proposal. We'll start by adding in a title and adjusting the color of our header. Change the currency as required using the top right dropdown. Moving down, we'll populate the first item by typing a name, price, and quantity. Change the unit to suit your requirements, such as hourly or per month. To add new lines to your quote, simply click Add Item. If you've already set up a custom inventory list, you can choose from your existing items. We'll cover inventory lists in a separate video. For now, we'll choose New Item. The total cost and subtotal will be automatically calculated as you go. You may wish to hide or show columns by clicking the eye and changing the selection. You can also add more quote tables by clicking the square plus. Note that the subtotals of each quote will be linked to a single total. As always, remove the second quote or any other element using the trash icon. Remember, you can switch to PDF view at any time to preview or download your proposal. Next up is the table. Click once to reveal your table level options, where you can add and remove columns or rows using the up-down arrows. Resize columns by hovering over the side of any cell. You can also drag your columns left or right to reorder them. There is a color picker allowing you to add background and border colors to your table. Clicking a second time on any cell will reveal individual options for that cell. These include the usual text formatting options and a color picker for the cell. You can also color an entire row or column from this menu. Now we'll move to the timeline. Timelines are a great visual way to display the different steps or milestones of a project. Easily add or remove steps in your timeline with the plus or trash button. Add text to the heading and description of your steps, such as milestones and timing. Need to reorder your timeline? Simply grab and drag using the dotted icon on the left of each step. Style or emphasize parts of your timeline by adding colors to the headers or descriptions. As each pxmo proposal is generated as a responsive web page, you may want to switch views to see what prospects will see from their mobile device. Move on to the next videos to learn about the call to action buttons.